am back from New Jersey, and we have the FD car back. Boom! All of its tires, parts, there's the toolbox and the goods. So that's all back. Waiting to hear what's going to go down with the next round of Formula D. So that girl's just going to kick it. She's good to go for the most part. She needs that over fender on and some body work, but I'm not worried too much about that. But I finished cleaning all that up and getting it out of the trailer. So now I'm moving on to the FC. FC, last time I ran was 2 years ago at Winter Jam, and it caught on fire. Even though it ran afterwards, I still like to check it out. The fire was no good, obviously. You guys can see, just got some of this stuff crispy, not looking so hot. It's okay, I mean, everything is working, but I'd like to get in there and see what the dealio is. Just like this stuff got a little crispy. So, you know, I'm just gonna go through everything and double check. Is the coil packs from the fireside, so I'm just starting to clean them. This is what they look like. That's what they're gonna look like. Do with that. The only concern I have on this, these are all good except when you get to the one that was closest to the fire. Oh. See, it's crazy because the wires are strong enough, stronger than the plastic, or I guess more heat resistant. And this one works. It's just this clip is, it's got a nice bend to it now, unlike that one. Pretty flat, bent. It closes, but it doesn't close exactly how I want it to. So I'm gonna talk with Carlos on Monday, see about getting one of these ordered, just a clip, and then I'll have him redo this stuff. But for now, I'm using my good friend SD20, all-purpose degreaser, and we're gonna get this stuff cleaned down up. Just getting this stuff apart to clean it, so that on the inside is nice now. It was super nasty. This is kind of cool. You can see how rigid. I don't know, that's because the motor's so old or the tape's so well, but Jesus, that stuff has been in this position for a minute. But all good. I'm gonna get this ordered up, and then I'm gonna put it all back together. Carlos can just throw it on the car. I'm gonna have it in here, and I'll leave for him to do it outside. But so it's pretty caked on here. I think I might just take this rocker cover off. After I would have blast down, you can see, look at this trash. This is all just a fire extinguisher dust. It sucks. So then it's all the way down there. I'm probably just gonna have to get some sandpaper and just kind of hit these back and forth until this all comes off. It's not on there super hard. It did get heated up though. Obviously, after I ran it, we didn't have enough time to clean everything off. Fuck, it's so nasty in here. A bit busy if you can't tell. But yeah, that's all right. We'll get all that handled. Look at that. That's the last time she drove. One new oil, and that was it. Just been chilling ever since. Fuck you too, Carlos. So, I gotta get out of here. Gotta go pick up Cooper from school. But I think I'm just game planning, looking at this thing, seeing what's gonna happen when I get back on Monday. I think I'm gonna really go for it and just start really taking apart this side. Get that wire harnessing out, that harness over there, those things that way. And clean it all up because it's just gonna feel better knowing that it's all 100 and I've checked everything. I'm gonna go drive again. So, all right, that's the story on that. Like I said, I gotta get out of here. We're gonna go have a weekend. It's Father's Day weekend, so you know your boy's gonna turn up. But I will see you guys back here on Monday. I think Carlos is gonna be here. He's gonna help me dump all those tires. And, we gotta start throwing the body work upstairs because we got a lot of extra sitting around. So until then, I'll see you dudes Monday.